Gear system. A car's gear system, also known as the transmission or gearbox, is a mechanical system of gears that allows the driver to control the car's speed and torque. The gear system transfers power from the engine to the wheels. It also allows the driver to control the direction of the wheels with the steering wheel. How it works. The gear system uses a set of gears that shift based on the car's speed and torque. Lower gears provide torque for acceleration, while higher gears use the engine's power more effectively for higher speeds. Types of transmissions. There are several types of transmissions, including manual, automatic, semi-automatic, and dual clutch. Gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mean 1 and 2 gears. These 2 gears are typically lower and used when driving at a slower speed. 3 and 4 gears. These 2 gears are typically higher gears used when driving at a faster speed. 5 gear. This gear is also high but is mainly used for highway driving.